Kejetia, remember that show you watched?
Mama wanted to see this market.
And I used to watch it, right?
I thought this was which is with plantain with peanuts.
So the one that
on top of it.
the one that reusable bag.
What do we need?
How much?
This one's 3. 5 yen away. We have 5. What? We see have 5.
I need 6.
So they might have 5. Maybe 5 cities. Is that good enough?
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to put it in or keep it
I
out?
don't know, because I'll put these in there and then put the fish in here.
Oh, okay. What's that? Teas and stuff?
Yeah, like herbal stuff and hair stuff.
Oh, look at market.
Yeah.
Oh, see, you can fit it there.
And everything's open right now.
Okay, look, baby chair. How about this one? Oh, the fabric is nice though. Hey. Attention. Victor. Kojak. Did you look? Kojak F.
Big one?
Kojak. For mild sensitive teeth. Oh, the black one?
But the Kojak me,
Kojak.
but I
This
where
Ah.
no way I
when you 20.
where 20. Oh, I'm here. 我们好喏，开始喏，你赚20。
And then you be a mouth.
You be what?
I had a concert, you be mouth.
Ah, be baha.
I said, be mouth. You be an important. You took one ever.
We pay never.
First, not a see about it.
But of Tisu. Give me to one more. Give me to one more. One more. But of one more. Nine. We go to me boo. But of 25.
Is what?
I think.
Third?
Big one. But Hina.
And it's Sunday, it is, yeah.
Okay, but you get one eye.
But it's nice.
No, what 3 cities, but what 3 around? Let me go, Jerry. We need it. Spicy is it's too much. Yeah, sure. Okay. Black soup. Maybe other soup.
All the way over there.
We're getting what?
Pots.
Oh yeah.
That was like diapers.
It's the meat section. That's why it smells like it.
Ooh.
It smells good anyway.
Y'all smell it, because it's a whole smell.
This is where it gets loud, y'all.
Mushroom, Victor. You saw the mushroom?
So what?
The mushroom.
Where?
Right there. Yeah.
Are these what you call it?
What?
Are these? Or are these different?
Those are like the cremini, the larger ones.
These are nice. We had these the last time. But this, it looks like it would be a nice bowl.
Turkey?
Not turkey. What's the one that we
Chicken
have
of the
now?
West. Oh, oyster?
That's not oyster.
No.
I like. Now we're the same thing. So, yeah, that looks like a nice shred too, right?
You're gonna take it home?
Like chicken of the sea. I mean chicken of the woods.
Yeah.
That's kind of the woods.
Right.
I put it in the fridge, nothing will happen.
To these ones.
All of them.
A bit more, please. More, move back a little. Oh, that's you. What's the green? Oh, maybe.
Why did that get shy?
I think we have to turn around. Okay, thank you.
When you're at the market, the ladies are always willing to point you in the right direction or walk you, in this case, in the right direction. I just love that the market ladies, it's not a competition. If you ask a tomato seller where the onion seller is, or if you want something different and you're asking someone who's selling the same thing, like they don't, there's no hate involved. Everybody is supporting, and it's just beautiful to see. So another thing to mention is at the market, when you're shopping for things, clothes, towels, anything like that, sheets, they'll say the word false. False means it's been used before. So it's like thrifting, which we fully support thrifting. We thrift. Just make sure if you buy false, you give it a thorough washing, of course.
Yeah. This one's big. Yeah, feel it.
I like the feel.
One and a hurry.
It's
One and hurry. Wash. They are washed already. We'll be on wash here. So it's a food.
because it's 2 cities. You like this one?
This is the only one I can get, right?
It's cute though. What would I wear it with? Thanks for hanging with us at the market. See you in the next one.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos too. Please look at the description box down below for more information about us. Don't forget to hit the notification button to know when we post some new videos. Nyani wala don. Bye!